Welcome back to the channel. We've got our latest APE coin update. Things are not looking terribly bullish on this chart. From my last update, we were pushing up here, and now as you can see, this trend line that I identified for you, this one right here, sort of acting like this overhead resistance, and we're sort of just not able to get above it, not able to push through it. So we're riding it down. Now we had this blue line coming across here. This was what I wanted to keep eyes on to see if we were going to be able to hold that line. As you can see, we've done it in the past. It's an important trend line. We reversed off of that trend line earlier yesterday. So critical level for us to be pushing through. If we cannot hold this level, we're looking for targets down here at 1750. If you're looking to short this thing, that would be like the next level of support that I can see stepping in. So critical moment for APE. If we're going to get back to the business of being bullish, we're going to want to see it hold here and start to put in reversal. It's still possible. We still could see it kind of put in a wick like we're seeing right there, but hard to say at this point. The overall markets are pretty bearish. We've got Bitcoin and Ethereum having some sell-off happening there. Now, APE is usually doing its own thing. That's the beauty of this coin. It's got its own, parade, its own street. It's not following the overall sentiment of the market, and that's why I love it. But at this moment, it seems to be pretty bearish. So we'll have to kind of look and see what happens at this critical area. And until we get some confirmation, we just have to kind of watch and wait. So I hope this is helping you with your analysis on this coin, and I will see you in the next video.